Ton regard me touche, m'assassine. Je suis saoule de tous tes gestes. Tu me rends la 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 la. Succomber n'est pas chose facile. Face à toi, je perds le nord. Tu me rends la 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 la.
And a few things to show people how smart pigs are. So hip hop, are you ready? Hip hop, can you sit? Oh, good girl. So she has to shake. Can you drop? Oh. Bigger circle, bigger circle. Good girl, and back. Very good. This is her favourite game. This is fetch. Ruby, up on.
Aww.
Hip hop, you take a bow, your final bow. Well done, you mate.
Tu te soumets à tous mes caprices. Mon sourire t'ensorcelle. Je te rends la 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 la. Vois-tu, tu me rends folle. Summer, 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 summer love. Vois-tu, moi j'en rafale de ton summer, summer, summer.
Because they're really worth nothing to the dairy industry. For cows to produce milk, just like humans, they have to give birth to a baby. And every year in Australia we have between 700,000 and 1 million of them killed between 5 and 7 days of age, simply because of that being a byproduct of the industry.